All right, guys, welcome to Linmar Ranch by America West. This is one of the newest communities by America West here on the southwest side of Las Vegas. And in this video, we are going to be touring the Avondale floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. And what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to the grand opening of Linmar Ranch by America West. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas, you guys. We are about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. So the nearest cross streets is you're looking at Silverado Ranch and Decatur, okay? So really close to the 15th freeway, you guys, probably like 5 minutes away from South Point. We have the KB Balcara community right across the street. Guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you right now. So this community offers 5 different floor plans, guys. You got 4 two-story homes. Now they're gonna be ranging from about 1710 square feet all the way up to 2317 square feet. Now the base prices are gonna range from $433 all the way up to $466. They do offer a single story floor plan also in this community. It's called the Ferrera. Now the Ferrera is 2488 square feet. The base price is about $515, $990, okay? Now, something you guys need to know about this community, typically when you see the base prices, you have to add in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades. Well, here in this community, they're doing all spec homes, guys. So the builder is picking out all the options, all the upgrades, adding the lot premiums. So just to give you guys an idea of kind of where you would be at, for the Avondale and Lavelle, you're looking at out the door, you're looking at about 450, around the 450 range. The Kaufman and the Whitney, you're looking at right about like the 500 to 510 range. And the Ferrera, guys, and I will have the lot plan on the screen for you guys so you can see. They are only going to be releasing about 10 to 12 lots that's going to fit the Ferrera floor plan. Okay, so and what they're doing right now is they are actually doing highest and best. So I know the base price was about $515, but the offers are going to start at $595. Okay, now the important thing about these lots is they're over a quarter acre lots. Okay, so minimum's you're gonna get a quarter acre. Pretty large lots, guys. If you're looking for a large lot here in the southwest, that's definitely something to consider. Now about the community itself, you guys, 142 homes. The HOA is going to be $56 a month, okay? And then the average lot square feet for the two-story homes are going to be about 3,300, right? And again, all spec homes here. They just opened up this weekend. They already sold 5 lots. They're going to have another 5 that's going to be move-in ready for November, and they're gonna have more in December. Okay, that's pretty much it. So let's get this tour started. All right guys, so welcome to the Avondale floor plan. Now this is gonna be the smallest floor plan in this community. This is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $433,990. Okay, now again guys, all they're doing here is spec home, so the total out the door price with a lot premium and upgrades, you're looking at about $450, which is still a really great price here in the southwest area. That's actually very competitive for a 2-story home. Okay guys, so paver driveway included, desert landscaping is included. Okay, we're gonna walk up over here towards the side to get to the entry door. Now again guys, all the 2-story homes in this community are going to be 8-foot ceilings. So this is going to be a 6x7 entry door. Okay, welcome in. So immediately when you walk in, So that's going to be the stairs that go to the second floor. You'll have your powder room right here. Okay, pedestal sink. You're going to have your toilet. Okay, so it looks like they have the round edge corners, orange peel texture. Probably it's about a 2.5 inch door casing. Okay. Now it looks like we do have the optional flooring all throughout. Again, guys, remember there's going to be no options to choose from in this community because they are going to literally pick out all the options. They're all going to be quick move-ins. So they'll have available homes that you can move into within like 2 to 3 months. Okay. So you got your nice open floor plan. So welcome to the kitchen. All right. So this is a cute little kitchen actually. Okay, so you got some cabinets over there. Nice little countertop. As far as the appliances go, guys, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but everything else will be. So you'll have your oven, microwave, you'll get your dishwasher. Okay. You're gonna have your 6x7 slider right here. The backyard is locked. I can't get back there. Again, the average lot square footage here is going to be about 3,300 square feet. Okay. So it looks like we got the backsplash right over there. The appliances are going to have here are going to be also Whirlpool. Okay, so here's your pantry. And then right over here, you're gonna have your coat closet. Okay, so you're gonna have storage space right there. Yeah, so it's pretty cozy first floor. There is too like a optional covered patio. I don't know if I'm assuming that most specs won't have the covered patio, but you know, they'll probably have some that do. Cool, so let's check out upstairs, guys. So as soon as you walk in, you do have a small little loft right here. Close to your primary bedroom. Then you're gonna have your laundry room as well as the 2 bedrooms right over here, and you're gonna have your full bath. Okay, so you'll have transfer grills right over here to help regulate the airflow. You got your CO2 smoke detector right up there. So you're gonna have your linen closet. Okay, so welcome to the full bath. So shower tub combo, toilet. We do have a single sink here. Okay, drop-in sink, white cabinets, nice flooring, upgraded flooring. Okay, nice little bathroom. All right, guys. And then again, I know that I say this in all the videos. If you guys are interested in a new build community, if you like what you see, make sure you guys give me a call. My info is going to be in description below, or at least let your realtor know if you are working with one. You know, you definitely want to make sure that you go with your realtor on your very first visit. The very first time you go to a new build community, and you know, let's say that you show up there by yourself and you give them your information. They won't let you have representation later on. You definitely want representation later on because our job is we look after your best interests. So, you know, we hold the builders accountable. We try to negotiate for you the best we can. We make sure you get all the max incentives, and the builders pay the agent fee. So that's why it's very important to get represented by an agent. You know, I've even had buyers before. They called into new build communities and gave them their information, and you know, they asked me to come check it out with them. But when we went to the new build community, they were already in the new build system. So you know, definitely just make sure, you know, if you call in or if you go there in person, you need to know that you do have representation, guys. So nice little bedroom here. Right, so here is the laundry room. Washer, remember, washer and dryer is not included. Looks like you do have your attic access up there. Right here, you're gonna have your smart panel box. So this is how you set up your internet modem and your router. And again, this switch right here, this is just to keep fresh air. This will keep fresh air coming in the laundry room. The reason they do this is because there's no windows in the laundry room, and you know, they definitely are trying to get some fresh air in here, so they incentivize you to just actually leave the switch on. Okay, welcome to the primary bedroom. The interior designer is kind of like it. It's very clean looking. So right over here, you're gonna have a giant walk-in closet. Definitely a lot of good space here. So you can see. Okay, so we'll check out the primary bath. Okay, so we just have the walk-in shower, we have your toilet, and we have your drop-in sinks right there, okay? All right, very cool. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this floor plan in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, or you know, if you're curious to know what the builder incentives are, give me a call, guys. My info is going to be in the description. Till then, I will catch you guys next video.